Welcome. In front of me is a LEDGER Nano S, and today I will show you how to reset the device. So to get started, hold both of those keys, and this will automatically show you settings right here, which are selected. So again, press both the keys, scroll down to security, and then scroll down to reset device. And it gives you a message, your private keys, apps, and settings will be erased, PIN required. Use your recovery phrase to restore. Privacy key on any LEDGER device. So let's keep on going. Reset device. So you want to have this selected and press both of the keys. Obviously confirm the PIN. And there we go. Give it a second and it should show you, there we go, the setup screen. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.